Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up leveling system or rank roles on Discord using Arcan bot. Let's get started. So here we are in arcane.bot, or you can also go to arcanebot.xyz and you will be prompted right here in this website. This is the bot that we will need to set up our leveling system or rank roles. So to add this to our Discord, we simply need to click here, add to Discord right here. And for this one, we just simply need to go and click right here, add the server, select our server right here. In this case, it will be Arcane Tutorial. So click continue and just click on authorize right here. You don't need to mess with that. And some verification. And from here, we just simply need to wait for it. And as you can see, Discord app launched, so it has been added to our Discord server. So when we go back here into our server, Arcane Tutorial, and as you can see, we have the Arcane bot right here. We have the Arcane bot. So to set up, we simply need to go here in the text channels. We have to create a channel called bot command right here, just like that. Or you could also set up a no XP channel if you want to. This no XP channel is a channel where when people chat, they won't gain any XP or they won't level up when they use this channel. So that is up to you. This is completely optional, but this one, bot commands, is a must. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, click on our server name, and from here go to server settings and go into roles. And in here we wanna create our ranks or levels right here. So let's go and click create role, and we are gonna create a role right here. So for this one, I'm just gonna go simple. So it's beginner and it's gonna be level 1, right? That, and you wanna assign a color. So in this case, I'll just go for this one, and then the permissions, since I am doing this for just the aesthetics, for the display names, just like that, they don't have any special permissions. But if you want to add permissions to each rank, then you could just do it here in the permissions tab right here. So you could have the permissions enabled for certain ranks right here. But for me, I won't have anything. This is just for aesthetic. So I'm just gonna go here and save changes and create another one. So I'm gonna create the next level would be intermediate, which is level 10, like that, and create our select color, save changes, and make sure that there is no permissions because this is for aesthetics only. And then go again, and for the new role would be, the next role would be advanced, just like that, and level 20, just like that, and then assign a color. I'll assign a color yellow, and then I'm going to create another one. This one is for expert, and this would be level 40, just like that. And then go into permissions, there is none, so save changes, and then create a role again for the last level. So this would be the master, and I would like to assign this to level 80, just like that, and assign a color, just like this. It's green. I forgot to assign a color and expert, so let's assign it just like that. And now that it's done, once you are done setting up your roles right here, you are done setting up your server for Arcane. So now what we're going to do next is we're going to go back into the website. So now we're going to go back here into our Arcane website here in our browser. So let's go back right here. And as you can see right here, what we want to do is go into dashboard and select here the server that you have the Arcane bot. So in this case, it will be this demonic. So from here, Arcane tutorial dashboard right here. So from here, you can enable or disable a lot of configurations right here. So if you want to enable YouTube notifications, then you can also enable that, role management, moderation, custom commands, and whatsoever. But in this case, I'll just be using leveling because my ranks are just for aesthetics, so I don't really care about this one. So disable right there, just like that. Disable all of it, and then go here into leveling and click on configure, and we will see a bunch of options right here. So I'm gonna take you to guide on each of these. So for the XP options, this is a premium feature. So once you edit this, you won't be able to do that unless you have a premium subscription. So right here. So if you want to know more about the premium feature, you can click here on Discover Perks and you can see the perks right here. So the free only has 3 of these basic features: configs, role rewards, message logs for 1 hour. And for the premium, you have the everything is free. So role rewards, message logs, and whatsoever. You have a lot right here. I think this is really worth it if you have the budget, and also if you really want to take your server into the next level. So from here you can modify the XP options if you have the premium, and also this level up message is for free, so you can modify this if you want. So let's say we want to modify this because this is, I don't like this one, because what this does is that it mentions the user. So mention user has reached level, then the level of the user right here, and GG right here. But I don't like it, so I'm gonna utilize my own. So I'm just gonna copy this command right here. This is gonna be my template, and from here I want to go and type, actually I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna type right here. I want to mention the user first so that they would know who is leveled up. So for me, I'll just go user that mention right here so that the bot would mention the user, and just like that, so everyone would know who's the one that leveled up. So from here, what I want to do is I want to put a comma right here so that just like that you reach level. And then from here, I want to go and curly bracket. And from here, I want to type user level, just like that. User, that level, and curly bracket again. And from here, I want to put an exclamation mark for that. And from here, I want to also indicate the title that he earned. So I'm going to go type you are now and titled maybe curly bracket, and then name, just like that, curly bracket name. This is the template that I would like to use. It's very simple. So what this does is that when someone reaches a certain level, they would get mentioned right here. So they would be mentioned right here. Their name will be put right here with a comma right here. So you reached, actually we want to do this like this. You reach level, and then they will indicate the level right here, and you are entitled to this rank or role right here. So it will depend right here. So from that, then now we can proceed into voice leveling. So in voice leveling, this is actually a premium one also. So if you want to edit or enable voice leveling, in this way you can utilize voice channel to level up. So this would need a premium feature, so you would need to have a premium one so that you can utilize or edit this. And for the auto reset, I think this is a pretty useful one, or maybe not for you, but what this does is that when someone leaves your server and joins back again, their levels will be reset. That's basically it for auto reset. And for the level card, and as you can see right here, this is the level card that will be shown, and you can also edit this. So what's this gonna use is the hex code of colors. So you can actually Google that on how you can get the hex codes of what color right here. So for example, if I change this value right here to 5 and save, actually you're gonna see the colors change right here. So that's about it. So you can also change the color for the progress bar, background color, font color, and background image depending on what you want. But actually I'm pretty much satisfied with this one, the default one. As you can see, I think it looks nice and simple, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. And for the role rewards, as you can see, you have the stack rewards option right here, or toggle. What this does is that it stacks reward as the player reaches a level 10, 20, 30, and so on. So it stacks the rewards, but I don't want to enable this because this is pretty annoying. And after you have disabled that, we want to go here and set up our role rewards for the level that each player or people that would make. So if they would make it into level 1, of course they would be beginner, entitled beginner right there. So if they would reach level 10, then they would reach the intermediate title right here. So that's basically it. All you have to do is do the same for each role right here, advanced, and the next level would be 40, so expert. So let's go type 40 right there, and for the master, 80 right here. Just like that. And now for the XP restrictions and modifiers is for no XP channels. You can also do this, as I have mentioned earlier on the server when we were setting it up. I created a no XP channel, so you could utilize that. As you can see, it is here, the no XP channel right here. So when you go here, you can actually not get XP any user that would chat right here or utilize this channel. And also for the bot command, since you are the only one that has access to this, so no XP for this one. And for the roles right here, this is a very useful role if you have a role. Example, if you want to punish someone and you want to don't want to give them XP, then you can just set a role for them so that they won't get any XP. So you would need to set up a role in your Discord server that is no XP enabled, and you would choose it right here. So that's basically it. And for the blacklist, the users will not earn XP in the channel selected above. So this is pretty much it. So you want to blacklist a player or whitelist right here so that they won't earn any EXP. And for the thread XP, users should earn XP in public and private threads. It depends on if you want to enable this. And forum XP, it's also very understandable for forum channel threads and text and voice EXP. So should users earn XP in text voice channels? It depends on what you want right here. It's based on your preference. And for the XP boosters, you actually need a premium subscription for this one for you to have more than one booster role. So if you want that, then you can just go and have premium. And you want to stack boosters, but I don't think that you would want this because it would be too easy to achieve all the levels in your Discord, and you want it to be a little more challenging so that your people would go be more dedicated into leveling up and the roles would have more worth. And for the vote booster, actually this is a premium. Yeah, this is a premium. So if you want this, then you could also have that. And for the percentage right here, you could choose the role of the boost right here of the role. So you want to boost the role beginner by percentage right here. You can set it right there, and you should just click here on add booster and it would be effective. As you can see, it has updated the booster role now. So from here in the leaderboards, you can actually do this by providing your vanity URL right here, the vanity URL of your server. And to get this vanity URL, you would actually need to go here into Discord. And from here, you want to click on this server name and server settings. And from here, you want to go to custom invite link. And as you can see, it says you need to have boosting so that you can unlock this one. So it would basically be not for free. And that's basically it for configuring your Arcan bot on that website. So from here, you can go into bot commands, and you can test some commands right here. You can have avatar, ban, boosters right here. You can actually go and see your rank right here, rank, member, and Kiro right here. You want to select the member that you want to view the rank. So in my case, it will be myself. You have no rank, keep chatting to earn a rank. So I still haven't got into the beginner level, so I will need to chat more. So that's it. As you can see, it is working right here. And if you want to configure something, you want to go back right here. And as you can see, you still have a lot to explore. You have to explore role management, custom commands. If you are interested in any of this, you can enable it right here and click yes, let's do it, and it will be enabled right here. But if your case is like mine, you just want aesthetics, then you can just enable leveling like right here so that you won't have any more stress in dealing with this bunch of options. And just one last tip is go here into your server settings and go into roles, and you want to make sure that this Arcan rank right here or role is at the top of everything so that your Arcan bot can do its job properly. And you might want to arrange this one if needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.